Something's missing today. Can you tell me? Something's... Where are my monsters? My blue monster and my green monster. Where are they? Green monster, blue monster, green monster, blue... I can see them. They're over there. Green monster, blue monster. Why were you not sitting there? Let's sit you down. Green monster, blue monster. Now we're ready to start. Okay, now make sure you're standing up. And we're ready to sing the hello song. Let's go. You can make sure you're ready. Arms and your legs. Stretch them up. Here we go. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Hello, everyone. It's raining. I'm bored. I know. Why don't you and I sing a song about the rain and make it go away? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Come on, let's go and sing the song. So wet outside. Oh dear. That's better. Leave that to dry. Right, guys, shall we sing the song? I said, let's remember, rain, rain, go away. Here we go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Brother wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Sister wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Still raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, I think it's going away. The sun's coming out. Yes. Right, boys and girls, it's time to wake up Teddy Bear. Where is Teddy Bear? Can you see him? Where's Teddy Bear's box? I don't know. I'm sorry, what? I'm sitting on Teddy Bear? So I am! Oh dear, poor Teddy Bear! I was sitting on him. Oh, I hope he's okay. Right, shall we wake him up? Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. He's fast asleep. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. Teddy is fast asleep. Come on, you and I, we need to shout loudly. Here we go. Wake up, Teddy Bear. He's still asleep. One more time, very loudly. Here we go. Wake up, Teddy Bear. Hello. Hello, Teddy Bear. How are you? Are you okay? Yeah. He seems happy today. A little sleepy. So, everybody at home say, hello, Teddy Bear. Very good. Well done. And Teddy says hello to all of you. Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box, mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Ooh. What's inside the mystery box? Wow, there's a lot of things in my box. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness me. Look at this. Baby bear. Mummy bear. And Daddy Bear! 1, 2, 3 bears! Small bear, medium bear, and big bear. Wow! But there's something else in my box. Look at this. A bowl. 1 bowl. I think that's a small bowl. 2 bowls. I think that's a medium bowl. Oh, and 3 bowls. I think that's a big bowl. Wow! Small, medium, large bowls for baby, mummy and daddy. But what shall we put in our bowls? Oh, look. Porridge. Yummy, yummy porridge. And I've got a pot to cook it in. And a spoon. And a lid. So shall we make some porridge? I'm going to put in a small spoonful of porridge for baby. A medium-sized spoon for Mummy. Mummy, and a big spoon for Daddy. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy porridge. And we'll mix it. And then we'll put the lid on and we'll let it cook. I think it's ready. It smells fantastic. So, small spoonful for baby, medium size for Mummy, and a big size for Daddy. Yum, yum, yum. Now, I know a very good song all about baby, Mummy and Daddy. Now let's see if you at home can do this. Peekaboo. Can you do it again? Peekaboo. Now let's see. Where's Mummy? Peekaboo. There she is. There's Mummy. Where's Daddy? Peekaboo. There's Daddy. He's over there. Where's baby? Peekaboo. There's baby. There you are. Okay, shall we sing the song? Okay guys, are you ready? Standing up for this song. Let's find baby. Where is baby? Where is baby?
There he is.
There he is.
Where is baby? Where is baby?
Where is baby? There she is.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you.
Peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? There he is. There's Daddy. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? There he is. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. Where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? There she is. Where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? Where is Mommy? There she is. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. Where is baby? Where is baby? Where is baby? There he is. Where is baby? Where is baby? Where is baby? There she is. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo. I see you. We're in the bear's family house. We've got the bear's breakfast, the yummy porridge. We've got Daddy's big bowl, Mummy's medium bowl, and Baby's small bowl. Breakfast is almost ready. It smells lovely. Look at this chair. I think this is it Baby's chair? Let's see. It's a bit big for Baby. Is it Mummy's chair? I think it's too big for Mummy. Is it Daddy's chair? It's Daddy's chair. It's a big chair for Daddy. Oh, and look, a bed. That looks like a very soft, comfy bed. Let's see if Daddy likes the bed. He doesn't like the bed. He says it's not his bed. Is it Mummy's bed? It's not Mummy's bed. She says it's not hers. Is it Baby's bed? Let's see. Yes, it's Baby's bed. What a lovely bed. So we've got our porridge, Daddy's chair, and Baby's bed. Now, that reminds me, I know a story all about bears, a family of bears. Porridge, breakfast, chairs, and beds. Would you like to listen and look at the story? You would? Okay, let's get ready for story time. Okay, everyone, sit down. Shh, it's story time. So look and listen. Shh, it's story time. And this story is called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And look, there's Daddy Bear, Mummy Bear, and Baby Bear. And this is Goldilocks. Once upon a time, there lived Goldilocks and the Three Bears. One day, Goldilocks went for a walk. Walk, 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 walk. She saw a house and knocked. Nobody answered. She went inside. At the table she saw 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. Yum, yum, yum. She tasted the big porridge, Daddy's porridge. Oh, too salty. She tasted the medium bowl, Mummy's bowl. Oh, too sweet. Oh. She tasted the small bowl, Baby's bowl. This porridge is just right. And she ate it all up. Goldilocks felt tired. She walked into the living room and saw 3 chairs. 1, 2, 3. Blue chair, yellow chair, red chair. She sat on the big chair. Oh, too big, she said. She sat in the medium-sized chair. It's too big, she said. She sat in the small chair. This chair is just right. But, oh no! Goldilocks broke the chair. It broke into pieces. By now, Goldilocks was sleepy. So she went upstairs to the bedroom. Look, 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. Blue, yellow, and red. She lay down on the large bed. Oh, it's too hard. She lay on the medium-sized bed. Oh, it's too soft. She lay on the small bed. Oh, this is perfect. And she fell asleep. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home. Daddy, Mummy, and Baby. Someone's eating my porridge, Daddy growled. Someone's eating my porridge, Mummy Bear said. Someone's eaten my porridge. It's finished. It's gone, cried Baby Bear. Someone sat in my chair, growled Daddy Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, said Mummy Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair. It's broken, cried Baby Bear. When they went upstairs to the bedroom, someone's been in my bed, sleeping. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, said Mummy Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed. She's still there, cried Baby Bear. Just then, Goldilocks woke up. 3 bears! Help! She screamed. And Goldilocks ran down the stairs, ran into the forest, and ran and ran and ran and ran. And she never went into the woods again. The end. In this story about Goldilocks and the 3 bears, Baby Bear was wearing red. Mummy Bear was wearing yellow. And Daddy Bear was wearing blue. So I thought you and I could colour in Baby, Mummy and Daddy in red, yellow and blue. Come on, let's have a look. Baby is red, Mummy is yellow, and Daddy is blue. And Baby, Mummy and Daddy are all brown. So let's see what we have to do. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. First of all, we need to colour in our bears. We need to colour them in brown. Brown, there we are. I see something brown, brown. I see something brown, 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 brown. I see something brown. Brown baby, brown mummy, and brown daddy. Now, let's use our fingers with some finger paint. Show me your fingers. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, red. Let's put the red on baby. Like this. Red, red, red. Oh, a bit more red. With your finger, red. All over his trousers. What a beautiful red baby bear. Fantastic. Okay, now we need to get yellow. So, show me your fingers. Show me your fingers. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Into the yellow. Oh, yellow. Oh, yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, yellow. And let's put it on mummy. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. All over mummy's yellow dress. Oh, wonderful. These little fingers are fantastic for painting. Yellow, a little bit more yellow. Very good. Now, I need one more finger. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Into blue. Blue, 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 blue. Blue! Come on, let's put it on Daddy's tie. Blue. Little bit more. Blue. I need a little finger, small finger. Blue. And blue. And now we've got a family of teddy bears. Baby's red, mummy's yellow, and daddy's blue. Now, can you have a go at home and make the same bears? I hope so. Right, everyone, it's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye to you, bye-bye to Teddy. So everybody stand up and let's sing the bye-bye song. Right, Teddy, you sit in there.
Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye.
Everybody down.